Azure Blob Storage stores crucial business data, and taking Azure Blob Storage Backup helps preserve that data from accidental deletion, malware attacks, or other cyber threats. Recoveryfix Azure Blob Storage Backup is one of the efficient Azure Blob Storage Backup solutions that helps take a secure backup of all the data stored within the Azure Blob Storage. Regularly backup Azure Blob Storage Backup and other cloud services in order to avoid facing downtime or a decline in productivity. With this Azure Blob Storage Backup tool, one can easily preview and select the data to backup, and then extract Azure Blob Storage data with a straightforward process. Let's learn through a detailed process how to backup Azure Blob Storage data. Start by pressing the Windows plus Q keys to open the search box and type Recoveryfix Cloud Backup. Launch the tool and click on the Azure Blob Storage Backup module, enter a project name followed by a job name, and then click OK to create a new project and job respectively. Once created, you'll be on the login screen. Enter the required Azure Blob Storage credentials as access key and client secret to connect the Azure Blob Storage Backup tool with the Azure Blob Storage account. On the Directories page, select the storage accounts that you're looking to backup from the Azure Blob Storage. You can also use the search bar given at the top to find the particular storage accounts you want to add. It will save you from spending additional time scrolling through the hundreds or thousands of storage accounts. All files, folders, and storage accounts will appear in a tree-like structure. Select files and folders by expanding the selected storage accounts and folders contained in them. After making your selection, click Next to continue. On the Filters page, select the filters that seem appropriate according to your choice. The filters available includes Date filter that defines a date range for which you want to extract Azure Blob Storage Backup. File filter to mention if you want to include or exclude any particular file format from the backup. Version filter allows specifying particular file versions you want or include all versions in the backup generated. Set an operation timeout for larger files while downloading skips, halting the process that takes a long time to backup a single file. Click Browse to select the backup destination where you want to save the Azure Blob Storage Backup data on your system. Click on Make New Folder if you want to save the Azure Blob Storage data backup separately in a new folder, and then click OK. From the Select Schedule page, choose if you want to execute the process immediately or want to schedule it for later. The tool allows scheduling the process for performing recurring backups. This will begin the process to backup Azure Blob Storage. To check the progress of backup in real time, click on the project name that you created and then go to the job name you recently run. Click on it to see the detailed summary. The process is currently in the running state. As the backup finishes, the state turns ready, and all the files are saved to your system. On the same page at the top, there are some buttons using which you can add job, remove job, start job, pause a job, stop job and abort the process, refresh the progress, and check the backup report. Click on Backup Report to see the session details, which you can save to your system as CSV, or click View Details to see the detailed backup report. You can also save this report to the CSV file in your system. The details mentioned in the report include source path, destination path, backup size, and others. To know more about the software, visit the given link. Have a great day.